Let's talk about the main goal of the course. So after this course, I want you to know if chemical engineering is it for you or not. Maybe you're interested and then you see this course and you say, nah, I don't think I like that much math, or maybe I don't imagine myself working with chemicals, or I don't want to go to a chemical plant to work. Maybe I want to do another things. Or maybe you want to, you see all the curriculum, you love thermodynamics, how to work with machines and chemical compositions, how to purify materials, maybe how to produce new products, useful products, technologies for society. So I don't want to convince you. I just want to tell you, expose you to the chemical engineering profession. Maybe you like it or not. That's up to you. Now, also, this is very important because many students come to chemical engineering because they think some professions and they end up in different workplaces. So I want to show you where can you end up. Many of my colleagues finish up in a hedge funds, so they are doing finance. Some of them do branding, marketing, and plenty, of course, they also work in chemical plants. They have operational or maybe quality control and so on. So at the end of the course, I want you to know what's a chemical engineer and what are the areas, how much salary to expect, and so on. So of course, I don't want to convince you. I just want to let you know, and your decision must be yours.